Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Ivy and I'm a makeup artist, YouTuber and content creator based in Asaba, Delta State, Nigeria. And today's video is going to be a makeup haul from the Huda Beauty Cyber Craze sale. Like, I planned for this for months. I saved up to be able to do this haul. Okay, now if you want to see what I got from the Huda Beauty Cyber Craze sale, then please keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. It only takes 1 second. So guys, towards the end of the year, like every year, I always like to stock up on my makeup products, re-up on finished products and all that good stuff, so that when we get into the new year, I'm not stressed out. Like, I can just ease into the flow of things and then take my time to start getting things. So Huda Beauty does ship to Nigeria. If you order items above $75, above $75, you get free shipping and they ship using DHL. So more often than not, you have to have a DOM account. You fund it with foreign currency, dollars, and then you go on the website, you make your purchases and they ship to you. For the Cyber Craze, aka Black Friday sales, there are often slashes 30%, 40%, some even 50%. So that is the best time to do shopping so that you can just save some good coins. Okay, so my box got to me within about 8 to 9 days. Came in, I was so happy. DHL called me, they delivered to me, and this is how it came. Really well packaged, and it has some of these brown things inside, just to keep the product safe. So the very first thing I got is the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder in the shade Kunafa, which is like my best shade. I had, like, mine is on its last leg and I knew that I had this, a new one. I had to re-up on it and I am so happy I got it. Like, I can't wait to open this baby up. Huda Beauty setting powder is like one of the best setting powders out there. Like, with this Huda Beauty, I can't, like Laura Mercier, I'm not even looked for Laura Mercier for a while now, because this Huda Beauty one is really nice, and I also had my Fenty Beauty one and my Beauty by AD powder. So within those three, I'm covered. And then I got the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Powder Puff set. I have the Zaron powder puff. Well, I've been hearing lots of people talking about this Huda Beauty one, and during the sale it was going for like $6 or so. I can't really tell you the price of these things because they were on sale, but everything here I spent about $140, give or take. So it's a duo. Oh, this is soft. Oh wow. It has this bigger one and then the smally baby. Oh, my makeup makes me so happy. Like, I have so much makeup already. And then I got the Huda Beauty Full Filter Luminous Matte Liquid Concealer. I got 2 of these liquid concealers and I got them in the shades Crumble 7.1N. These are the concealer. I got 2 because they're going for, I think, about 30% off, and I know that this is a product that I love. So it looks just like this, and I did a lot of research to know what shade I'll fall in. I checked up my foundation and concealer twins. I nearly got the brittle shade, but I just said no, this will be my best shade because I don't like my concealers to be so bright, and I'm so happy I got this particular shade. I got 2 of them. That would tide me over for a while. And then I got the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Natural Airbrush Foundation. I don't know, for some reason on the website the shades jumped from 510 to 550, so there were no in between shades. In the previous shade, the previous foundation, that bottle one, the luminous, other luminous foundation, I think I'm in the shade 540G or so. This one, I had to go for the closest shade to me, which was 5 Hot Ford 550R. That was the closest shade to me, so I just got this shade. I figured 510 was going to be too light, and I preferred to go darker than lighter. I just wanted the foundation. It has niacinamide in it, and it's just a shade, like a shade darker than me, but I can make it work with highlighting and all of that good stuff. And then I got the Huda Beauty Full Filler Extra Shine Lip Gloss. I wanted to get the bullet lipsticks, but the shade I wanted were all finished, so I was like, okay, let me just use that money to get the Huda Beauty lip gloss. And I got this in the shade Bombshell, which is like a neutral, natural, everyday lip gloss. Can't wait to start using this product. And then Huda Beauty gave me 3 free gifts. They had this promo on their site where if you bought up to a particular amount, then they could give you one full-size product. But I just got what I felt I needed. I just didn't want to go overboard. I got this Huda Beauty handheld mirror. Like, if this is the only gift Huda Beauty gave me, I am. It has Beauty is self-made at the back, and then Huda Beauty. This is going to be my mirror when I'm doing my makeup tutorials now. This is how I'm going to be holding it. I used to have one other white one and one other brown one, but this is the mirror is so clear. This is my new favorite. Yeah, I love this. Thank you so much, Huda Beauty. Free mirror. Hey, who am I? So I got this as a free gift. I used to admire YouTubers that get PR packages, and I always used to wonder what it felt like getting freebies like this, and this feeling is so sweet. And then I was given this Easy Bake Sifter without mesh. It looks just like this. Like, for those who don't like the mesh, I don't think I'll be using this because I like my mesh. I don't want everything to pour out, but thank you. And then, oh, I didn't see this before. For some reason, I thought that this was a sample of the Huda Beauty foundation in another shade, but this is a sample of the Huda Beauty Easy Blow Primer, Silicone Free Smoothing Primer. Okay, this is good because I have very oily skin, so I was contemplating whether I would get the primer or not, but this is really good, so I can make use of the primer and see how it works on my skin and whether I like it. And then maybe when I'm doing another Huda Beauty haul next year or anytime, I can always get it if I like it. Oh, this is nice. Oh, so those are all the products, and the products are so tiny. And see the huge box they sent it with. These are all the products I got from Huda Beauty in the Cyber Craze Black Friday sales. I'm so happy because makeup makes me very, very happy. Like, I'm on cloud 9 right now. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for staying tuned till the end, and until I come your way again, remain blessed. Bye guys.